Good morning, dear students. Let's continue with some more textual exercise of chapter 6, Fun with Give and Take. Take out your books and notebooks. Page number 88. Is Sangeeta right? Sangeeta went to the market with her grandpa. Now here the man is sitting with big mustache is a shopkeeper. He is keeping eatables to sale. Now Sangeeta is telling grandpa something. Now she is telling, you have to find out whether she is telling is correct or not. Now Sangeeta went to market with her grandpa. She looked at prices and said to her grandpa, A. Ghee is 102 rupees costlier than biscuits. B. Price of oil and ghee altogether is more than rupees 200. Price of ghee and 10 kg rice is less than rupees 300. D. Oil costs rupees 40 more than a pack of biscuit. Is Sangeeta right? Can you find this without using paper and pencil? Now you have to solve all these things and find out whether she is correct or not. Now cost of ghee is equal to 127, cost of biscuit is equal to rupees 25. Now amount by which ghee is costlier than biscuit is equal to 127 minus 25 is equal to 102. Thus Sangeeta is correct. Now B. Price of ghee is equal to 127. Price of oil is rupees 70. Now 120 plus 70 is equal to 197. Here Sangeeta is wrong because she was saying it costs more than 200, but 197 is less than 200. So Sangeeta is wrong in saying that price of ghee and oil together is more than 200. Now next, price of ghee is equal to 127. Price of 10 kg rice is equal to 150. The sum is rupees 277, which is less than 300. Hence Sangeeta is correct. She was saying that cost of 1 kg ghee and 10 kg rice will be less than 300. So she is right. Now cost of biscuit is equal to 25. Cost of oil is rupees 70. The difference between the price is 45. Now 70 minus 25 comes to 45. So Sangeeta is incorrect. Yes, we can find out by doing the calculation without using paper and pencil. You can calculate mentally. 70 minus 25 is equal to 45. And she was saying that cost is more by rupees 40. So do it and see the answers after doing your own. Now arrange in columns and solve. These are some practice questions you do and find out the answers. Thank you. We'll meet again. Keep practicing till then.